Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming back and checking out my account on YouTube. Here I'm sharing all kind of information. Hopefully one day I will get over 1,000 subscribers. If you would like to subscribe, I will more than happy to see you. Here I'm upgrading information about different fields, from Bitcoin to PayPal to all kind of things. Today I would like to talk about Poshmark. I'm sure many of you selling or bought on Poshmark. Who didn't? It's a really good application. It is like eBay, but they do not charge you anything to post your item. The only thing they charge you it is 20% on the final fee. Let's say you're selling this shoe for $100. Let's say you sold this shoe for $100. $20 they will automatically take from your account and you will earn $80. What's also good about them, they are generating the shipping label, so you don't need to worry about it. The only thing you do need to have it is a printer to print the shipping label. Now today I would like to go with you over a few things. If you are selling or thinking to sell on Poshmark, I think it's a good platform. It is pretty much young. I think in few years it will be very popular, like Mercari. I remember when Mercari just started. um, on the left bottom corner you have that feature here called feed. uh, in order to get more sales, you do have to have people that following you. And it is not that easy to get them. I mean, I've seen all the kind of things, how to get people. If you post more items, you post 2-3 times a day. I came to that conclusion that if I am following somebody, somebody will follow me. As of right now, I'm gonna show you my closet. That is my closet right here, my store called Maximum Vision. I'm taking that very serious. I have 12,000 people that I'm following and 10,000 people following me. Uh, I do have 376 items. All my items are 100% authentic, 100% new, and they are amazing. Now what you gotta the way that to get more viewers, it is you're going over here on feed, you click on top, and you can search people or new people in the platform, and it's the only thing you gotta do it is just go over here and click follow all day long. Follow, 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 follow. It is maybe quite annoying, but it is one of the easiest way to get followers. Obviously not all of them gonna follow you. Some of them brand new, they don't even have anything posted yet. Some of them do, like this guy. Why you push your face? I mean, it's not real smart. uh, and then another thing, how you can get more followers. You see this is the item he post over here for sale. I am gonna go over here and I press on share in my followers, and when you sharing more stuff, more people will share your stuff. That's a second method to get more views and followers on your platform. Another way it is, if let's say you're going back to the feeds and you can search people by your city. Here you go, I live in New York. That's a new people. I just can just follow them just like that. Some of them will follow you back, not all of them. Some of them would never follow you back, but that is a really good gesture for the people that live in your city to know you, and it's also a really good feature for the algorithm of Poshmark. Now another thing that you could do, let's say I would like to go with this one, Erin. So she's selling quite a few things. I mean, she have 72 listings, which is not bad at all. She following 103 people, 2,000 people following her. That's amazing, honestly. I mean, she sold most of her closet. What you can do, you can click on her icon over here and then click on the top right three dots, click on switch to sell view, and click again on the three dots on the top and click on share to bundle. Now you going to your account and you can create a bundle for her to see if she would like to get anything from you. So let's say hypothetically I think she might get this one. I'm adding to her closet to the bundle. I'm going back. Hypothetically I am let's say she might be interested in sunglasses, but not this one. Let's say she like this chain, and I'll add one sunglasses just for example. Okay, so here I go. I added three items on the bundle, and I can send her offer. I can first of all write something nice here. Hello dear Poshmark, welcome to Poshmark, please check my inventory. Straightforward, not too much. Post. So I send her a message. Now I would like to send her my offer. Three items. All these three items I'm selling for $3.98. Anytime somebody buy from me three items or more, automatically it is 10% off. But I would like to offer her more than 10% off. I would like to offer her maybe like 15 or 18%. Let's offer her 315, and then you can choose you want to do it free shipping or let's actually do it a little bit different. Let's do 309. Okay. Sorry for that. 309, and I'll do $5 shipping, and it's automatically showing you how much you are gonna earn. It's a little bit too low. I would not make any money then. Okay, let's do it $5. So okay, originally all the items I posted cost $398. I'm offering her $315, and I'll do free shipping. Automatically showing me how much I gonna earn, $244. Submit. And now it's up to her discretion if she wanna get it or not. And that's another way to secure. You have more potential to get more sales by securing this way, creating a bundle to other people. So once again, let's just move that. Let's follow other people. And you gotta do it at least like 3, 4, 5 times a week. Another way to get more views, you gotta list at least one item a day, so the algorithm of Poshmark will catch you and will give you more viewers. And some people, like out of the bloom, they are offering some crazy offers. Let's say you already good example. Actually, I'll go back to my one of the items I'm selling from the store. Okay, I have these eyeglasses. The retail price of this eyeglasses is $240. I already posted for $87. I'm basically selling that at my cost just to get my money back. And some assholes, I'm sorry for my French, some assholes offering $20 on that. Like, hello, how you want me to make money? I'm already giving you like 70%, not 70, 60% less than the retail price. Don't, guys, do me a favor, don't offer silly offers to sellers. It doesn't make sense. You just make people aggravated for no reason. You can go also to your closet and just repost items, and the algorithm of Poshmark will catch you. Sooner or later it will catch you and give you more viewers, and will post your items on the top. and this is how you can make more money. Or another good feature you can do is let me see. Okay, let's say this Tom Ford eyeglasses. As I mentioned before, all my items are 100% authentic, 100% new. The ones are some of my items are brand new in a sealed package. They are in the back storage, never even been on display. Other items are in store display. The store display is like any other eyeglasses or sunglasses you will buy in the store. However, in my shop, most of the time I'm giving a really good offer right away, so people will have more they would like most likely buy it from me. So okay, so this Tom Ford eyeglasses, by the way, it's a really good piece. I had like 7 of them. It's the last one I have left. So original price is 425. I'm selling for 219, and I have more space to make money, to give a better offer. Now you see there is people like this item. I can send all of them a private offer. Instead of 219, 195. And let's do it differently. Sorry, let's do it one. I just want to get my money back, honestly, on that item. 189, and let's do $5 shipping. Automatically show me how much 148 is basically how much pretty much I paid for this item. I paid 125. I mean, making $15 is better than nothing. And here we go, submitting that, sending 6 people all the time. I send this offer. You see, 6 people all the time got this offer. It's amazing. I mean, the way that Poshmark works, I think Poshmark have a lot of potential for future. Many people will. It's easier to work with Poshmark than Mercari or eBay or Etsy. I like it a lot. That's about it. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I'll try to answer. Please don't answer me silly questions. I have no idea what to answer you. By the way, I apologize for my English. English not my first or second or neither my third language. I'm trying my best to make a living. So once again, please smash the like button so YouTube algorithm will find me, will help other people to find this video as well. Later on, I'll show you how I pack in my stuff. I'm actually packing them in a very, very good way. I'll show you a little bit later. Once again, if you have any questions, please ask me. I'll try my best to answer you. Thank you very much, and have great rest of your day. Bye bye.